Hello guys, today is June 7, day 31. Art and culture we will discuss today. And tomorrow also it will be art and culture. So we are taking same subject two times so that you will get 10 MCQs on each subject. Okay, so economics and polity were done as the previous subjects. So I believe that only the very few serious aspirants have seen all the 30 episodes which is uploaded till now. Okay, that is 150 MCQs. And others are simply time passing, and whenever they feel like, okay, today I'll watch or tomorrow I'll watch, that won't work anyway, but you can carry on because anyway it's free. But the serious aspirants, make sure that you study entire thing. And all these are taken from our test series only. So 2021, the last batch, the test is starting this week, and all the offers, installments, everything is ending this week. So make sure that you have got to this, okay, because it's completely for the sake of 2021 prelims, which is coming in October 10. And 2022, it will be announced on June 10. Today's first question: Tangalya work is from Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Mizoram, Kerala. So it's from Gujarat. It's a GI protected shawl. So GI, that is geographical indication, is one favorite topic of UPSC and has been going on asking. Maybe it will not directly ask whether it is a GI tag or not, but if something has GI tag, then that will be picked up and a question will be made. Okay, last year massive following were there. Three things were given on the left and right. The state names were there. So you have to identify which state it is from. So this question is expected. So make sure it's not like easy to by heart all the GI tags, but at least which are in news you should be knowing. Okay, so whatever basic information you need, it's there on the screen. You can pause and read. Okay, which of the following are true with respect to Hindustani and Carnatic music? Hindustani has lesser number of ragas compared to Carnatic music. Hindustani has influence from outside, but Carnatic is a indigenous musical form. Hindustani music has no scope of improvisation, whereas Carnatic has unlimited freedom to do so. Vocals are more important in Carnatic, while vocals and instruments have equal importance in Hindustani music. Hindustani and Carnatic music has no instruments in common in their performances. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. The more the number of statements, the easier it will be to solve, because one or two you can eliminate and you will get the answer. So in actual exam, never skip questions where there are more than three statements. Those are the bonus questions which every serious aspirant will solve. If you see statement 3, it is interchanged. Like Hindustani music, uh, this thing, okay, the no scope of improvisation and unlimited freedom, this is actually interchanged. Okay, Carnatic should be here and Hindustani should be here. And the other one, statement 5, there are a lot of common instruments. So this no instruments in common, that is a wrong thing. But if you say 1, 2 and 4, they are true. Okay, Hindustani has lesser number of ragas. Then Hindustani has influence from outside. Then vocals are more important in Carnatic. Those three are true. Okay, so these are all taken from the CCRT website, which is a very good source for your art and culture. And we have taken notes from there only. So our art and culture test, okay, there is actually 4 tests. There is 2 which is now we are discussing, that is based on pure art and culture based on question papers and CCRT website, and the second set of 2 tests will be Nitin Singhania textbook based. So these things will be sufficient for any topic, okay, whether it's paintings or dance, musical instruments, festivals, culture, everything we have covered in detail in 400 MCQs. So that will be more than sufficient for you, but make sure that you revise it again and again, because it's very very difficult to memorize these things. Identify the painting. It uses 3 colors, only 3 colors, that is pink, green and yellow. It is also called Angika art, popular in Bhagalpur region. It is done mostly on boxes made of bamboo, jute or paper. Painted boxes are used in this Bishahari Puja, a festival dedicated to snake god. So is it Kalamkari painting Andhra Pradesh, Pichwai painting Rajasthan, Manjusha painting Bihar, Varli painting Maharashtra? So this question gives you this locations of 4 famous paintings also, which is extra learning. But here, which one is being described? This Manjusha painting in Bihar, about which UPSC already have asked a question. This Kalamkari painting is done on fabric with bamboo pen. Pichwai painting is done on cloth in temples. Varli painting, which also UPSC have asked, white figures on red background on home walls. Okay, so this is like only basic, but there will be other questions where it's specific to these things. Okay, where you will get more information. So whatever is given here, at least this 4 points about this painting you have to study. Like that, every question if you study 4 points, that will be enough to solve the UPSC question. Which of the following are not true about Kuchipudi dance? Initially, it was done based on Bhagavad Purana, but now it is performed on various themes. Initially done by female dancers only, but now male as well as female dancers perform them. It combines Lasya and Tandav elements and also classic and folk element. It is done solo as well as in groups. So everything will look true only, but which of the following is not true? Meaning some statement would have been tweaked a little bit to make it false. So which of the following is false about Kuchipudi dance? Statement B is false because it was initially actually done by male dancers. Okay, male Brahmin boys were be doing this, and then later it expanded to females also. So all the notes of every dance, about 8 classical dance are there. All 8 we have taken from CCRT, and detailed notes are there, 2 to 3 pages about every dance form. So my students, please see to that you read everything, because it will just take like 30 minutes to read that complete thing. And if a question comes, 2 marks you will get in addition to the person sitting next to you in the exam hall. Okay, so very basic details like where it started, where it originated, what are its features, everything like in bolded we have given. So wherever it's bolded, it will be much more important to you. Okay, so if you see here, Siddhendra Yogi initiated young Brahmin boys of Kuchipudi village to practice. So it was like boys started it. Later, if you see in 1886, many new elements including solo dancing, training of female dancers, etc. started in 1886. So like that full history is given here. Okay, so this much if you read about Kuchipudi, that is more than enough. More than this, nobody will study. Like that for 8 dances, if you read this half a page or 1 page, that will be sufficient. Okay, and it's all taken from CCRT website, which is like recommended by every topper, every coaching institute. Everybody tells to read from this. Okay, and please subscribe to Vice Courses channel. Every day hot topics from the news is being discussed there. Today's last question: which of the following festivals seen in news recently are matched correctly? Jhiri Festival, Jharkhand. Then this Sarana Basveshwara Car Festival, Karnataka. Then this Attukal Pongala Festival, Kerala. So 1, 2, 3, 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only. This is a similar question which UPSC asked in 2019, where they gave 3 festivals and 3 state names. And everything will be in the news. That is the reason they're asking, because India has like unlimited number of festivals, so you cannot by heart everything. Okay, and maybe if it's your hometown, you will know like, okay, this is from my home state, I will know this, but everyone need not know that. So UPSC is asking it because it came in news, meaning it was celebrated recently, or maybe some controversy was there, or maybe some Supreme Court told something about that festival. So something like that would be there. Okay. So here the answer is 2 and 3 only. Okay, because Jhiri festival is from Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Dogra tribe related. So that news articles are given from which it is picked up. Okay, and this is Karnataka and this is Kerala. Okay, same like that. Be careful to note down everything which comes in news. Okay, so please subscribe so that we can keep the free content alive. I'll come up with tomorrow's episode again on art and culture. Thank you and have a nice day.